Oh, hey, thank you for tuning in. Today I am serving you this look. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. I am using Itsmyrayeraye's second palette to begin, and I'm using her number 6 Fluffy Blending Blush to take that nice deep brown shade and apply it all over my crease. And now I'm just showing you the sped up version because I really take my time. So I am applying that over to my crease to have a nice deep look, just like you see here. Next, we are using the number 8 large shadow brush to try to get this color, which I thought was red, but it's not red, it's actually pink. But what do? You move forward. So I actually used the shade Sunset from her palette, and I applied that all over my lid after applying some concealer, of course, to make the color pop. And this is what the color looks like. Now I am using that lighter brown, and I'm using that fluffy blending brush to just blend these colors out. And I'm just applying more of that Sunset to my lid. Now I'm taking this orange color. I wasn't really sure where I was going with it, but I used the number 7 brush to just apply that over that brown. I really don't know what I was trying to do, but I did it, and I don't think it looks too bad. So I used the shade Fairy Tale from her second palette, and I applied that to my inner corner. Off camera, I applied Fenty Beauty's eyeliner and some mascara, and this is my results. I put Fairy Tale on my lower waterline, as well as, of course, the inner corner again, just to make sure that pops. And I used that Sunset shade in the middle just to bring it together. Now I'm using Radiant and French Toast to apply some highlight to my cheekbones, the tip of my nose as well. So now I am applying the lip primer just to make sure my lips are nice and moisturized before I apply Rihanna's liquid lipstick, which I absolutely love. This shade is just perfect and definitely my favorite. So listen, unfortunately my phone died, right? And you can't leave me alone for too long, because once I'm alone, ideas start to race and then I end up doing different things. So I did 2 things off camera, and one was adding dots to this eye area and this eye area, and I actually used this tool right here to do it. It's like a little nail art tool, and it worked perfectly. I also added some highlight to my collarbone just to give it that nice shimmery look, since I really didn't want to add a necklace.
And I love it. I really wish I had an actual glow lotion thing so I could just rub it on my shoulders, you know.
But we're not gonna get into that. What I am adding is this swatch right here, and I think it's just, you know, it's beautiful. It's like a nice rose gold, and I think it's something simple and classy to go with this outfit. But because I like to take things up a notch, I definitely wanted to add a pop to this eyeshadow, and I wanted to do it by adding some white dots. Now this look with the white 3 dots or not, I think looks beautiful. And now it is definitely time to take my hair down, and I have one more thing to add.
It might be a little extra, but we'll see how it looks.
And this is the finished look. Can you believe I used 2 necklaces for my hair accessories? Well, sometimes you just have to make it work. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop me some love and leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for all notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye.